What's something people don't know about the origins of modern electronics? Well, you need to watch this if you struggle with understanding cathode rays. Meet William Crookes, a scientist with a curious mind. In 1879, he conducted a groundbreaking experiment that opened doors to our electronic world. Using a glass tube, Crookes created a vacuum and passed an electric current through it. What he found was astonishing: an invisible stream of particles, later named cathode rays. These rays glowed green and traveled in straight lines from the cathode to the anode. Crookes didn't stop there. He placed a small object in the path of these rays and noticed a shadow forming, proving they were particles, not just energy. This discovery was monumental. It led to the development of X-rays, television, and even the screens on your smartphones. So next time you use any modern tech, remember it all started with William Crookes and his cathode rays. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Chemistry Vortex.